Masayang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Midel Del Rosario, 33 years old. Kasalukuyan nagtatrabaho po dito sa South Korea as factory worker. Sa Pilipinas, sumasali na rin po ako sa mga amateur singing contest. Bilang 9 na buwan na rin po dito sa South Korea, member po ako ng choir sa DFCC or Daegu Filipino Community Center at CWC Catholic Migrant Workers Center na ang layunin ay maging united ang mga kapwa Pilipino dito sa South Korea. There's always still a part of you you leave behind when it falls apart. There's no easy way to break somebody's heart. I held her close to me, 'cause I know she breaks so easily. And then I told her, but I knew no matter how I tried to console her, she just do the best she could. But there are times the best is no damn good. And no matter how you try to be kind, there's always still a part of you you leave behind. When it falls apart, there's no easy way to break somebody's heart. She could have gotten angry and made me feel like a guilty child, but I realized that never was her style. I wanted her to hurt me and not treat me like a friend. I wanted her to say there'd be someday I came crawling on my knees to ask her back again. But she acted like a lady till the end. Oh, what a lady. I thought that she'd break down, but she smiled at me and never made a sound. And I guess she understood in her way, 'cause her silence told me everything she could not say. When it falls apart, there's just no easy way. There's just no easy way. There's no easy way to break somebody's heart.